Anyiti itemi matiganite ruhonge-ini rwa ukui guku bururi-ini ni matugire itua ria thirikari ria kweheria maobitha a NTSA barabara-ini citu, makiuga maobitha a ruhonge ruu ni maranyitite itemi hari wongerereku wa namba ya mitino makiria mweri-ini wa Dithemba mwaka muthiru.
Na mimi nataka kurudishia Uhuru Kenyatta. Saa hii inaonekana serikali inasikiza mwananchi, sababu hizi marori unaona hapa hata akisimamishwa na NTSA hawezi simama. Hata ile lori liliua watu ilikuwa inatoroka, sababu anajua kishikwa na NTSA ataitiswa maelfu, 10,000, ataitiswa 10,000, 20,000 na akikosa apelekwe ndani.
Matokoretio ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kia matereba thabari ndaya Nicholas Bogwa ni maugite itua riu ni riguteithia kurehe utheri wa aria macungagiriria mitino barabara-ini, kuona maita maingi rori cia thabari ndaya ni cikuaga murigo wa mitino kuhanika.
Those truck drivers, they are claiming they are the main cause of the accident. Can you imagine one single truck driver operating that truck alone? If that truck got a puncture, that driver is the one to mend that puncture and replace the tire, of which the truck tire with pressure weighs 120 kilograms.
Nake uria wari muikariri giti wa bodi ya kwamukira mateta ma marua ma ukui John Mututho agitugiria itua riu kuria akomithitie uruti wa wira wa ruhonge rwa NTSA.
The policy on NTSA is a noble idea, but the implementation where NTSA officers turn themselves to revenue collectors is completely out of order. Kudos, my president. You did it right. It's now time to sack the bosses. Let them go home. Get a team who can read and write. And I suggest they go at their own cost to Victoria State in Australia, where they will see what Road Safety Authority can do and how they run their affairs.
Oho Mututho ni oritie ruhonge rwa NTSA kumurika weru arama cia barabara mwena wa Salga kuria makiri ma mioyo ya andu yurire.
And I've done my research. Out of 100 accidents that occurred involving a PSV, 86% were caused by a heavy truck. The heavy truck pushed the matatu off the road or the bus. And because the road, like I said earlier, are such that there is no escape routes, you are trapped in between. And these things are monstrous.
Ningi no moritie ruhonge rwa NTSA kumurika weru twarithia wa ngari utuku amwe aria maragaga ni a Kenya na aria mariona murigo wa ngarama ya muturire gukorwo ikiambatira o gugikia. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njeta Kamau wa Mwangi.